In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a glowing text effect in the CapCut editing app. It's a really cool effect for videos, social media intros, or anything else you want, and it's quite simple to achieve, so be sure to watch until the end. First, open CapCut on your device and start a new project. We'll need a black background, so go to the library section and search for a black background, and add it to the video. Once you've imported the black video, click on the text tool to add your text. Type whatever you want, I'll just write AppTut for this example. Then, choose your preferred font, color, and style. I'm going to pick a simple font with a yellow color. After setting up your text, export the video to your photo gallery by clicking Export. Next, go back to CapCut and click the plus symbol button again to add video clip. Select the text video you just exported from your gallery. Now, place the text layer over your first video and delete any unnecessary parts on the right side of the timeline. Select your text layer, click on the Style button, and change the text color to white. Then, go to Animation, select Loop, and choose the Random Flash animation to make the text glow. We need to add a video effect. Go to Effects, then Video Effects, and look for the Shadow tab. Find the effect called Angel and select it. Adjust the intensity to your liking. Now, go to the Basic tab and select the Camera Shake effect. Set the speed to 10 and drag it over the entire video. Once you're happy with the edits, export the video to your photo gallery. If this tutorial helped, leave a comment below and subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching.